In this vlog, we are going to see the custom query implementation in Flutter Drift database. So in our previous tutorials, we have covered few concepts regarding the Flutter Drift database, and here is the playlist. I suggest you to go through this particular playlist if you are watching this tutorial for the first time. And in this vlog, I'll quickly guide you through how to implement custom queries here, and we have not implemented any custom queries till now. Now let's try doing this particular implementation such that it will be very much helpful for you when you are building a real-time applications. Right there, the custom queries might be very much helpful. Stay tuned till the end of this video. This one is gonna be a very small video where you will get a very good concept. So quickly I am going to write the custom query and then I'll explain you what exactly it does. So here we have written our first custom query, that is getting the total user count here, and you can see we have written a custom query here using the custom select option available and select count star as count from users. So we are trying to count all the users that are available in the database and finally return the count. That might be 5 users, 10 users, so you will be getting the final count as integer value here. And we are also specifying reads from user table and get single, that is get one row. And now that our get total user count custom query is now ready, let's try to write the second custom query which we thought like get average age. So average age of the user, if you remember, two values stored in our database, one is name and the other one is age. So now we try to get the average age of the users. So quickly I'll be writing that custom query as well. So here again we made use of the custom select and tried providing the query select average age as average from users, so that we'll get the average age of all the users. For example, we do have 10 users, right? Calculate the sum of all the ages and try to divide by 10, so that we'll be getting the average age of the users, and again reads from the users table and get single row. Let's try to run this particular queries and see the output. Quickly I will be adding two more buttons here. So the two buttons will be providing user count and average age. And now let us try to run this particular code and see the output once. Yes, our application is now installed, and also you can see we got user count and average age as well. And let's try to run the user count. And quickly also one more thing, the average age you can also make it like a double if we want to fetch the accurate age. I have specified like int, and now I have quickly made it to double so that we get the accurate age. And just restarted, and now let's try to fetch the user count, and total user count is 2 and average age is 25.5. and let's try to add a few more users quickly. And yes, I have added 6 users now and get the user count, and total users count is 6 and average age is 27.5. So I hope this is clear for you. I just tried explaining the custom query implementation in Flutter Drift database, and the code for this tutorial I'll be providing in the description section below. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.